Matthew's putting in all the ingredients now for us to mix our babka dough. Milk, eggs, lots of butter. Now we have yeast, the most important ingredient. Lots of flour. This is enough to make about 80 to 100 king cakes. We're gonna use our divider here. It's got an acrylic plate in it so that we can press our dough to a very consistent size. This is gonna get wrapped up, go into the refrigerator, and then tomorrow we'll laminate it. So now we're sheeting out our babka dough. It's like a big automatic rolling pin. Just gonna move it over onto the table so that we can start our king cake production. Haley's going to brush water over the whole thing so that then when we put the cinnamon sugar over the whole thing, it'll have something to adhere to. She's taking her time to measure everything out. Next, I'm gonna go in with this bag of cream cheese filling. Each rectangle gets rolled up with that cream cheese filling in the inside. Each one's gonna be the same weight. And then after that, we're gonna shape them by twisting them together. As seamlessly as possible, form this into a circle. And there you have it. And then we'll egg wash this. That's gonna give it the nice, like, burnished exterior. And then in it goes. Here is the finished king cake out of the oven. We're gonna finish this with some simple syrup. Today we got our Tulane blue and green. This is our classic king cake Tulane style.